1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, real deal Z28. Numbers matching, 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front fascia. You can see paint has a nice shine to it, shows well in this car. It's black. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, this car definitely stands tall. Speaking of which, check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see it from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on the correct Z28 black 5-spoke wheels, BF Goodrich radial TAs. Technician did note, before you're going to want to drive this thing too far, those tires do have a little older date code on them. We'll need some attention here in the near future. And he also noted the AC compressor kicks on and off, works fine, but is still R12, so that may need a little attention, maybe be converted. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see how straight these panels are. And again, that black paint looks like it's wet, basically a mirror finish, as you can see the reflection of the wall behind me. Original black car also, 19 paint coat on it. 19R for black vinyl interior, bucket seat, center console. It does have an aftermarket stereo that's been installed, otherwise looking pretty stock on the interior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust exiting the rear. Catalytic converter is intact. Technician did note the exhaust between the engine and the cat will need some attention also. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. And once again, take your time looking through all those still pictures. Definitely look at the underside. Very nice, clean underside as far as the pans, frame underneath there. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Camaros, especially Z28s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. No matter what year you like, we get a variety of them in. Maybe like 70s muscle cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Speaking of mirror-like finish and reflection in the paint, you can see everything behind me, my reflection. Again, this one will turn some heads. There might be a touch-up spot or a scuff. There's a little touch-up right there if you can see it, but again, look at the reflection in that paint. And notice just kind of a light scuff or minor ding right there. That's getting awful fussy. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let me pull that a second. All right, door panel, looking good. Something else I also noticed on this car is if you take a peek up here, you have this plug. We'll see those lots of times on the 70s cars where they were spraying a rust inhibitor, and you'll be able to see it down along this lower rocker below the sill. And lots of times in those cars that we see that's done, it's kept that corrosion from creeping from the inside out. So it appears to be a pretty solid car on the lower rockers. Seat does have a little separation in the vinyl. It appears those could be original seats. The odometer reads in the 40,000 mile range. I cannot confirm or deny, 60,000 range, so 60,785. Cannot confirm or that if that is actual or not. Judging by the car, and the numbers matching engine, and the condition of the engine bay, would not surprise me at all if that is original miles on it. Unfortunately, it doesn't stay on the title once the car is a certain age. It's just marked exempt. Any way you look at it, this is a beautiful car. Dash looks good. Click down the stereo down here and take a look at that. Why not? 8-track player. Stereo is working. And it sounds good. Speaking of sounding good, so is the car. That was a cold start. So we're gonna let it warm up a little bit. I think that idle is gonna come down for us. Headliner's looking good. Dome light working. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely, and you know lots of times these door pins, as they start to wear, get saggy. It's nice in this car. Little rumble coming out of that 350, nothing crazy over the top though. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm gonna let this warm up just a bit, and we'll pop this hood, check that out, and then, as usual, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. Now in the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the cowl tag or the data tag. So you can see that original paint color, the Z28 marking on there. So real deal Z28. Numbers matching. 350 V8 underneath there. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Here's all the components are here. Compressor kicks on and off, but still R12. Very stock looking engine bay, good looking engine bay, smooth runner. I don't think this one's going to last long. Clean car, 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. Black on black with some gold accents. This is an automatic transmission right here on the center console. Our turn signal indicator is working. Our fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. The battery's charging over 14 volts. Temperature is approaching 1/4 of the way up the gauge. Very smooth running Corvette. Acceleration is good. I'd say better than you'd expect from a 78 Camaro. Another fitting song to the era when this car was popular. The radio working well, the speaker in the back is sounding good. Bucket seats are very comfortable in this Camaro. The steering wheel, the factory steering wheel with the best grip I think you could get out of any steering wheel. The blower motor works on this car. It is clock equipped over here. We have a clock just below the temp gauge. The tachometer and speedometer are also working as they should. Corner's nice and flat. This an era when they started paying more attention to cornering, I'd say, with the Camaros. And the kickdown working on the automatic transmission. Sounds very good. Take a look at all the pictures of this Camaro at UniqueClassicCars.com.